we're here on the Triag International booth here at EMO 2025, and we're going to find out what work holding solutions they have on show. Now, Yannick, before we talk about what you have brought to EMO, can you give us a brief introduction into yourself and what you do here at Triag International?
Hi Tom, nice having you here. I'm Yannick Müller. I'm the co-CEO and responsible for sales at Triag International. About Triag, we are celebrating this year 35 years of Triag International. As you see, we are wearing a Swiss traditional shirt, so it's really important for us, Swiss values. So we're offering here at our booth not only Swiss wine, Swiss beer or Swiss cheese and Swiss chocolate, we are also trying to bring our philosophy to the customer, to get a higher output with our work holding of his CNC milling machine.
Now, talk me through the booth, because you've got space, time, mixed and automation in very big letters. But what does that mean to a customer?
Yes, so space, time, mixed automation is a little bit our philosophy. It's about space, using the full envelope of the machine. That's important because the customer is buying the full envelope. So using the full envelope, full spindle range. Time with, as you see here, with time, let the spindle run with multiple work holding. As long the spindle runs, as long the spindle is making chips, the customer is making money. Mixed production means, as you also see here, mixed production means put as many parts as you can onto your machine table, let the machine spindle run again. Automation, we are 100% Swiss made. Our work holding is 100% Swiss made, so automation for us has to be smart. A smart automation which is able to produce unmanned 24/7.
Well, Yannick, that was a brilliant introduction into your company, so I really do thank you for that. Now, let's talk about some of the products you brought here to EMO. So what are we currently stood behind?
So, as you see here, first we have a 5-axis epoxy riser. Epoxy kills the vibration. Epoxy is lightweighted, similar to aluminium. But on top of it, we have, it's called Modular power clamp. It's the Lego Wise. Why Lego? When you were a child, you was playing Lego, right?
Yes.
You know it. So the Lego Wise is highly flexible, highly modular. We have over 200 standard modules, different widths, different heights. So the customer is able to do every job. Big parts, smaller parts, bigger batch sizes, smaller batch sizes.
So this can be customized to any piece of work a customer needs to do?
It can be customized, of course. As I said, we have over 200 standard modules, but also, of course, customized modules, what we will see later on.
So, Yannick, talk us through what else is on this table, because you've got a wide range of work holding solutions.
Yes. So the SpaceGrip series here, what we are seeing, we're going pyramids for 5-axis machines, as we see here, for smaller 5-axis machines, but we go also up to bigger 5-axis pyramids, as we see here on the SpaceGrip 3. So the idea is, again, philosophy, space, time, mixed, automation. You're able to do it here, to get a higher output of it.
It was great to see you pick that up, and I'm glad you didn't attempt to pick that up as well. So this is just the first little booth on your stand. So let's move on and see what else you have to show. So what are you showcasing here?
So we're showing here vacuum plates, for plates.
Which obviously this is quite a problem for machinists. This is to machine aluminium plates to this thickness. Vibration is always a problem on surface finish, but I think looking here, there's no problems on this plate.
No, so you're able to do face milling. You're able to mill out pockets. So kills vibration.
And what about in front of us? Because you've got multiple tiers of solutions on here.
Yes, so here we have pneumatic self-centering vices. And the idea, what I said about the Lego vise, about the power clamp base rail system, is modular and flexible. And again here on our pneumatic vise, we have the same 2 mm serration as you have on the base rails, on the power clamp base rails. So you can use the same end modules, what you're using on the power clamp base rail, you will use them here. You're able to do it.
So you can use your solutions, your top end solutions, on many of your
yes.
work holding bases.
Correct. So this 2 mm serration, power clamp serration, you will find it not only in the product category of power clamp, but also on the self-centering vices all over our product categories.
Again, as a machinist, I always look at solutions I've not seen before that could have helped me when I was on the shop floor, because we've all been there, we've all struggled. And I did a lot of point work, so I know the problems people face with that. So that's amazing to see. And the flexibility of what you guys offer is also cost effective because you're not having to buy multiple versions, you can use the same. So let's move on, because the next part we're going to see is, there's only one word for it, it's huge. So talk us through the tombstone you have here, and I'm just going to
the Swiss flag. We represent Switzerland.
Ambassador for a moment. While you talk us through what's on here.
So as you see here, this is an epoxy tombstone. Again, the epoxy is world unique because it kills vibration. The vibration dampening is around 100 times better comparing to aluminium, and around 10 times better comparing to cast iron. So you get out, if you work, you can imagine if you work on top here, you have a lot of vibration. So it kills the vibration, gives you a better surface quality and longer tool life.
So as another positive to that, with you saving on vibration and having a better surface finish from your roughing and finishing operation, that's going to save additional machining processes where normally you would have to put it into a grinding machine to achieve surface finish. You can do it straight from the machine thanks to the epoxy casting.
Yes, so, and we are casting these tombstones in-house. We are all, have I already told you, I know we're representing Switzerland, that I have told you, but we are 100% Swiss made, and we're proud of that. And we have our own casting department in Switzerland. Wow. We have a high variety of different shapes, different heights, different widths. So here you're really open to it. On it, we have a 50 millimeter grit. You can put on power clamp base rails, you can put on self-centering vices, opto clamp base rails, so you're open to it.
So one of the things I would like to ask you is, with you doing all this in-house, does that give you the option then to customize these for customers in any way they would need?
Yes, they were pretty strong. I would like to show you something else.
So
what we did, customize.
I'll leave your flag back in here because I think it looks great. So we're going to move on. Now, I already like the look of this, and I don't even know about it yet.
So I would like to talk about first. Let's have a seat. Let's have a seat for a second. So I would like to talk about this riser. We had a customer project. This is a steel epoxy riser. As you can see here, we have a steel plate which adapts to the pallet machine. We have epoxy in between, vibration killing, weight, and we have on top a base plate made of steel for bigger 5-axis machines, and this one was customized for a customer.
And that's just that's one of the positives, though, of you being able to do all this in-house.
Yes.
Customers can come to you with problems, and you guys will have a solution. And if you don't have a solution, you will then make a solution.
Correct. So we have in-house a big engineering team. They're really strong. They built the know-how the past years. We have a young team. A lot of them, or there are 2 of them, or the team of 5 persons in the engineering team. 2 of them did the apprenticeship in our company. So we keep them, and they built a big know-how. And yeah, this is how we can solve problems.
Well, Yannick, again, this is amazing. I've never seen this before. I've never seen multiple materials used for a riser, for that situation and the problems people would face. So again, that just shows that you are very customer focused, and you are always there to do what's best and help them if they're in need.
Yes.
So we have one more booth left to go.
We have two more.
Oh, two more.
Two more, because we can talk first about this table here.
Yeah.
This table is also made by us. It's made out of epoxy again.
That's
everyone needs one, because it's perfect for having on Friday after work a beer together.
Is that so I don't get vibration in my glass while it's
Yes,
sat on here?
correct.
Perfect. Now I love that. So, last stand, and again, we have to mention that is work holding put to the right use.
Correct. So here we have a solution. Now
that is a solution to a problem nobody's thought of, but it's the brilliant solution. I love that.
Correct. So here we have a solution to automate vacuum plates, because if you, for example, have a two pallet machine, and you want to put on both pallets, vacuum plates, you always need air pressure. And if you change the pallets, you will lose the pressure, you will lose the workpiece. So with our vacuum box, you can automate it. It's with an accumulator.
Okay.
So if you are losing, like right now, if it's losing air pressure, it will suck the air again until you have 0.8 bar, and you have always.
So it will never. So it will always. It will make sure the air pressure stays the optimum amount at all times. Even if it starts to lose pressure, the smart interface will realize that and keep the air pressure at a constant feed.
Yes, correct.
So, Yannick, I think from me, this has been an absolute incredible tour. Some of the solutions you guys have, I've never seen before. The granite tombstones, again, that is a game changer. How you have 100 times better
vibration dampening.
Vibration dampening is just, again, I can't wait to see how this takes off and get to visit customers who are using this and see the differences they see compared to, like you said, an aluminium tombstone. So from me and everyone at MTDCNC, thank you so much for your time today. It's been amazing. And again, I hope I get to interview you again, because that was a real eye-opener for me. So thank you very much.
Hopefully. And now please enjoy the Swiss cheese.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you.